Hi, my name is Sue Kreitz, and I am here to tell you a little bit about the wood element of spring and how it relates to your body. So according to Chinese medicine and the five-element theory that is based on, springtime is related to the wood element. And the wood element is a very yang energy, and that means that this is the time for growth and expansion and lots of activity and new ideas coming to fruition. So your seeds are being growing, you're planting your seeds and they're erupting through the soil. So there's this wonderful burst of energy. So the wood element is here to support us. And so the more mindful we can be of the wood element and how it relates to our lives and our bodies, the better it's going to help us each day. So with each element, there's organs that are associated with it. And with the wood element, the organs of springtime are the liver and the gallbladder. So these organs are going to be very much supported when we are mindful of wood energy, when we eat green foods. They love the color green. And also when we think happy thoughts. So each element has a positive emotion associated with it and a challenging emotion. So the challenging emotion of spring can be anger and frustration. And the positive emotion that can help counteract that is happiness. So when we focus on things that make us feel happy, or we do watch happy things, or we smell beautiful Mayday blossoms like I have behind me, that feeling of happiness actually helps to heal and balance and clear out blockages in the liver and the gallbladder. Such a simple thing. By focusing on happiness, putting a smile on your face, you can actually help yourself to heal on many levels. So focus on what makes you happy. Do the things that make you happy. And in the springtime, get outside and feel your body moving, connecting to nature, observing what's happening as the new growth bursts forth. Like this beautiful Mayday tree in full blossom. I wish you could smell it. It's heavenly. So enjoy this little note about springtime energy, and I hope you can find what makes you happy. So thank you so much for listening. If you'd like to join our online practice group, we meet once a week. It's called Energy in Motion, and the details will be attached to this video. Thank you so much for listening. Again, my name is Sue Kreitz. Have a wonderful day.